If you can't stand the daily grind but still want to succeed, you've got to start hustling on the side. Here's how. You wake up at 6, leave by 7, clock in at 8, work till 5, drag yourself home, and repeat, every single day. It's a cycle that wasn't built to make you rich. It was built to keep you just surviving. Let's face it, a 9-5 job can be a blessing, but without a side hustle, it's also a trap. Your salary grows slow, but inflation runs fast. Your boss controls your time, your income, and sometimes your peace. And one pink slip can wipe out your entire stability. You can't build wealth by just working for it. You need to start multiplying it. So what can you do? Start small, but start smart. Here are 3 powerful side hustles you can begin with little to no capital. 1. YouTube automation. Create content without showing your face. AI voiceovers and editing tools make it easy. Scalable, passive, and global. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote digital products on platforms like Digistore24 or Jumia. Zero inventory, zero stress. Earn commissions for every sale. 3. Print on demand. Use platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. Upload designs, they handle printing and shipping. You get paid. Stop waiting for your salary to change your life. Start building something that works even while you're asleep. If you're ready to start any of these side hustles, comment side hustle below. Let's grow together. This is Dream Heavy TV.